Hello everyone, welcome to Tactim. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to on mobile auto rotate screen in your Android phone. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Tactim. So let's get started. For this, you have to open your settings. Now scroll down and go to display and brightness. Here you can see auto rotate screen. If you want to on your rotate screen, you just have to turn on the button. So this is how to on mobile auto rotate screen in your Android phone. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.